Welcome. If you want to stay ahead and never miss a chance to connect with new people on Facebook, enabling suggested people push notifications for your page is a smart move. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on these notifications using your PC, following the latest Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the page you manage. This will take you to your page's main dashboard. Now, once you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo. This action will open up a menu specific to your page. Next, look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded menu. This will bring you to the main settings area for your page. On the left sidebar, find and click on Notifications. This section controls all the notifications you receive for your page. Scroll through the options until you see people you may know. This is where you can manage suggestions about people Facebook thinks you might want to connect with. To enable push notifications for suggested people, simply toggle the switch next to push to the on position. Once you do this, you'll start receiving notifications directly to your device whenever Facebook suggests new people for your page. And that's it. You've now set up push notifications for suggested people on your Facebook page, making it easier than ever to expand your network and engage with your community. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.